Our 24/7 culture encourages a mindset of being constantly active, eliminating traditional work hours and rest days, while prioritizing productivity at any cost. We often find ourselves glued to multiple screens, neglecting the beauty of nature and meaningful interactions with others, which leads to sensory overload. The standards for success keep rising, intensifying our fear of failure, a powerful emotion. We glorify busyness, perceiving time spent in solitude as a luxury. As a result, our bodies are frequently in a state of heightened alertness, constantly ready to respond to perceived threats. While this fight-or-flight mode was once vital for survival, the chronic stress it induces takes a significant toll on our well-being. At times, it feels challenging to connect with our deeper selves. So, how can we restore balance in our bodies? How can we transition from the fight-or-flight response, governed by the sympathetic nervous system, to the rest and digest state associated with the parasympathetic nervous system? The solution is straightforward. We must slow down. By taking the time to reassure our bodies and minds that we are safe, we can rejuvenate and reconnect with ourselves on a more profound level. Here are 8 practical ways to help you reclaim your peace of mind. 1. Practice mindful breathing. Mindful breathing is a powerful technique that can help center your thoughts and alleviate stress. It involves paying attention to your breath, observing the rhythm of inhaling and exhaling. This practice helps to ground you in the present moment and can be done anywhere, whether you're at home, in the office, or even during your commute. How to get started. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down in a quiet place. Close your eyes. Focus on your breath without forcing it. Inhale deeply. Count to 4 as you breathe in through your nose. Hold your breath. Pause for a count of 4. Exhale slowly. Release your breath for a count of 4. Repeat. Continue this cycle for a few minutes. Mindful breathing not only calms your mind, but also helps reduce physiological symptoms of stress, such as elevated heart rate and blood pressure. 2. Take a nature walk. Spending time in nature has been shown to reduce stress and improve mental health. Whether it's a stroll through a local park, a hike in the woods, or even just sitting in your backyard, connecting with nature can help you feel rejuvenated. Benefits of nature walks. Increased serotonin levels. Nature exposure can boost mood-enhancing chemicals in your brain. Improved focus. The calming effects of nature can help restore your attention span, making you more productive when you return to work. Physical exercise. Walking is a great way to incorporate physical activity, which is known to reduce stress levels. Make it a habit to schedule regular nature walks into your week. Not only will it give you a chance to de-stress, but it will also promote physical health. 3. Engage in physical activity. Exercise is one of the most effective ways to combat stress. When you engage in physical activity, your body releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Whether it's a vigorous workout or a gentle yoga session, movement can have a profound impact on your stress levels. How to stay active. Find an activity you enjoy. Choose a sport, dance class, or workout routine that you look forward to. Set achievable goals. Start small and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Incorporate activity into your daily routine. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, walk or bike to work, or have a dance party in your living room. Regular physical activity can improve your overall well-being and provide a healthy outlet for stress relief. 4. Establish a gratitude practice. Practicing gratitude can shift your focus from stressors to the positive aspects of your life. Keeping a gratitude journal or simply taking a moment each day to reflect on what you're thankful for can enhance your mental resilience and reduce stress. Steps to cultivate gratitude. Start a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. Express appreciation. Reach out to friends or family members to share your gratitude with them. Reflect on positive moments. Take a few minutes each evening to think about what went well during the day. By regularly acknowledging the good in your life, you'll cultivate a more positive mindset, which can help counteract stress. 5. Limit screen time. In our digital age, constant connectivity can contribute to heightened stress levels. Social media, news alerts, and emails can overwhelm your mind. Taking breaks from screens can help you recharge and decrease stress. Tips for reducing screen time. Set boundaries. Designate specific times to check emails or social media. Engage in offline activities. Read a book, do a puzzle, or pursue a hobby that doesn't involve screens. Create a digital detox. Set aside a day or weekend where you unplug completely from devices. Limiting screen time not only reduces stress, but also allows you to be more present and engaged in your daily life. 6. Connect with loved ones. Social connections are vital for emotional well-being. Spending time with friends and family can provide support, laughter, and a sense of belonging. These interactions can act as a buffer against stress and help you feel more grounded. Ways to foster connections. Schedule regular catch-ups. Plan weekly calls or monthly get-togethers with friends or family. Engage in shared activities. Join a club or group where you can meet people with similar interests. Reach out for support. Don't hesitate to talk about your stressors with trusted loved ones. Sharing can lighten the burden. Connecting with others can provide comfort and perspective, helping you navigate life's challenges with more resilience. 7. Create a calming routine. Establishing a calming routine can signal to your mind and body that it's time to relax. Having a structured end to your day can help you wind down and prepare for restful sleep, which is crucial for managing stress. Components of a calming routine. Limit caffeine intake. Reduce caffeine consumption in the afternoon to promote better sleep. Practice relaxation techniques. Incorporate activities such as meditation, gentle stretching, or reading into your evening routine. Establish a bedtime schedule. Aim for consistent sleep and wake times to regulate your body's internal clock. A calming routine not only helps reduce stress but also enhances overall sleep quality, leading to better mental health. 8. Engage in creative activities. Creativity can be a powerful outlet for stress relief. Engaging in creative pursuits, such as painting, writing, cooking, or playing a musical instrument, allows you to express yourself and can be incredibly therapeutic. Ways to incorporate creativity. Try something new. Experiment with a new recipe, pick up a craft, or start a journal. Join a class. Look for local workshops or online courses in a creative field that interests you. Make it a family activity. Involve your loved ones in creative projects to bond and share in the fun. Engaging in creative activities can provide a much-needed escape from stress, helping you recharge and regain focus. By implementing these 8 strategies, you can effectively downshift and reduce stress in your daily life. Remember that taking time for yourself is essential for your overall well-being. Start small, choose a few techniques that resonate with you, and gradually incorporate them into your routine. Your mind and body will thank you for it.